Today's video is just a quick one showing you how I waxed this piece because it's truly so easy.
Hi ladies, hi ladies, hi ladies!
Up to this point, I have painted this piece with a DIY paint and heavily distressed it in some places, like right there.
I love it. You may not like it. This was originally copying a transfer from Iron Orchid Designs, which I said in full knowledge, obviously.
All you need is a good wax brush and wax, of course, which I'm using DIY paints wax, and just rub it on.
I wanted this to look like an impressionist painting on the front. Usually when you apply wax to a chalk type paint, and especially DIY because it's got clay in it, it gets a lot brighter, like right there. I love it. It's not doing that everywhere because I have mixed in colors and I have waxed it already. I will seal a piece just to protect a certain layer or something several times sometimes. And these handles are the original hardware. I wanted to leave them because it's just cool. Oh my gosh, if I could just show you the sheen. Look how the pulls are ombre. I'm just saying, look, kissing booth. I got cowgirl coral up in here, and then lots of petticoat pink there. Thanks for watching, ladies. I appreciate it.